now, where it has put its largest city, Auckland, back into lockdown after 4 new COVID cases were detected. Now, that ended a 102-day streak without a local infection. LV Vivas joins us live from New Zealand. Hello, LV.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening,
LV.
Awa. And good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all our viewers.
Yes. So, after 102 days, New Zealand detected 4 new cases of COVID-19 infections.
That's right, Alma. Last night at the press conference, Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern announced that New Zealand have 4 COVID-19 community transmission cases in Auckland. They are the first cases in the community for more than 100 days, 102 to be exact. In an attempt to go hard and go early and stop the virus from spreading, the New Zealand cases prompted the New Zealand government to activate the resurgence plan and had imposed alert level 3 for 3 days for the Auckland region only, which started to kick in at 12 noon today, 12th of August 2020. Auckland City is a city of around 1.6 million people. And for the rest of New Zealand, alert level 2 restriction was imposed. All restrictions will last until at least midnight on February 14, on Friday, 14th of August 2020, to give time to trace the source of the new cases. What does it mean? It means that in alert level 3 in Auckland, people should continue to stay in their household bubbles whenever they are not at work or school except for essential travels. Prime Minister is encouraging the work from home arrangement between employers and their employees. If people are currently in Auckland and do not live in Auckland, it was suggested that people should go home as soon as they can. In alert level 3, people should stay within their household bubble but can expand this to connect with close family or bring in caregivers or support isolated people. They should not invite or allow social visitors such as friends to enter their home. It is recommended that they keep their bubble small. And when it comes to businesses, essential services including healthcare, justice services, and businesses providing necessities are able to open provided they have safety measures in place. They should not physically interact with customers, therefore no face-to-face transactions. Bars and restaurants should close, but takeaways are allowed limited to contactless transactions such as ordering by online, delivering orders via courier. In terms of wedding, funeral services, attendees are limited up to 10 people, and physical distancing and public health measures should be maintained. When you are out and about, you have to maintain physical distancing of 2 meters outside your home, including on public transport. It is highly recommended that people should wear masks if they are out and about. Public transport can continue to operate with strict health and safety requirements and should maintain physical distancing and wearing masks. Public venues should close. This includes libraries, museums, cinemas, food courts, gyms, pools, playgrounds, and markets. And for people at high risk of severe illness, such as the older people and those with existing medical conditions, are encouraged to stay home where possible and take additional precautions when leaving home. And for the rest of the country who are on alert level 2 restriction, they should wear masks if they can in public. No more than 100 people at gatherings, including weddings, birthdays, and funerals. Businesses can open to the public if they are following public health guidance, which include physical distancing and record keeping. People at higher risk of severe illness from COVID-19, for example, those with underlying medical conditions, and old people are encouraged to take additional precautions when leaving home. Practice good hygiene. Stay home if sick. Team of 5 million have done an outstanding job of keeping themselves safe over the past 7 months. There is nothing more important than continuing to follow the alert level guidelines. Practice good hygiene and be conscious of their health, including staying home if they are sick. Keeping track of their movements as fast and effective contact tracing is very important. Wash their hands, cough or sneeze into their elbow, and regularly clean surfaces. This is the latest about COVID-19 situation here in New Zealand, Alma.
Thank you very much, LV, for your updates there in New Zealand. Thank you, EBC New Zealand Bureau.
Reporting live from Silverdale, Auckland region, this is LV Vivas of EBC New Zealand Bureau. We live in interesting times.
Thank you.